Hi friend, how are you? This is Rina from Newangie. Newangie is located in Shijiazhuang, Hebei province near Beijing since 2008, which is a pioneering manufacturer of medical and aesthetic equipment. And today, please allow me to introduce our product line for your reference. Newangie is founded in 2008. Up to now, we have 16 years experience in this field. And you can see here, we cooperate with famous brands such as Focusrite, Coherent, and so on. And by this part, you can see this is our certificate wall. We have CE, ISO, and RHS certificates. Each year, we will attend different international exhibitions such as Poland, Moscow, Italy, and Vietnam. And also, some customers will come to our company to visit us and try our machines by themselves. Okay, and now let me show you our product line. This is our product line. It covers 4,000 square meters with more than 150 employees, has 10 product line and 14 QC procedures to ensure the machine quality. This is our warehouse. After the machine is tested well, it will be placed here and wait for the shipment company to pick it up and deliver to our customer. This is our professional R&D department. If you have any special requests for the interface, handle, and outcase, they will provide the services for you. This is the whole introduction of our product line. We have strong confidence to provide the best machine and the best service for you. Hope we have a chance to reach cooperation. Thank you for listening. Welcome to Newangie.